So g'day again. I just thought I'd chuck this up after the earlier debacle that you can see in the other shot of the lighting situation and the confusion, we'll call it confusion. But I just thought I'd chuck this one up as well because there's not, like the activity at the entrance this morning on day 14 is busy, like there's plenty of them coming and going, but there's not as many now showing up with pollen on their legs. So I assume that where they've been getting their pollen from the last, I don't know, 2 weeks, I suppose, that we've been seeing, and I assume that tree, there was one there with a bit of pollen. I assume wherever they were getting it from is starting to slow down. So hopefully there's still some nectar around, but the pollen is definitely less. Or maybe they're collecting less, maybe they've got enough. Who knows? Who knows what's going on in there? Anyway, just thought I'd share that. Ciao. A quick sneak peek inside on day 14. See a few bees there, just bloody getting on top of that thing. Oh, that's why I think I'll put the screen on the inside. And there's a moth. Is that bad? I think that's a pest. Anyway, we'll keep that in mind. Still more activity on this side than that side. But they are putting a lot of propolis on that. Anyway.